Welcome to our English class.
Hello everyone, my name is Cyprien from Fast Top Academy. Our today's class will focus on phrases in present simple tense. In our previous video, I taught how to use present simple tense. So today we are going to do more practice. I wake up at 6 a.m. The rule of using I is in plural. So the verb wake has not changed. She brushes her teeth. She is one person. That's why brush has changed to brushes. So these are the two rules that we are going to follow in all of our practice exercises, focusing on singular personal pronouns and plural personal pronouns. He takes a shower. I eat breakfast. My brother takes breakfast every morning. We go to school every day. The sun rises in the east. I study English every evening. She teaches math. We write in our notebook. He answers the questions. My classmates listen carefully. The earth goes around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Birds fly in the sky. Fish live in water. Attention here, fish is in the plural. The plural form of fish remains fish. A year has 12 months. A year is in singular. That's why the verb have has changed to has. We enjoy our food. He runs every morning. They play football after school. We speak English at our school. I sleep at 9 p.m. Thank you so much for your kind attention. I hope these phrases will help you to elevate your English. Please do not forget to hit subscribe button, like and share. And do not hesitate to contact us because we have English classes for you.